I'm sure you've heard the term farm to table. Well, this is kitchen to table. I am with Nadim Taoubi. He is with Natufia, and we're going to talk about his company and what they're doing, which is so cool. So first of all, thank you for joining me, but what is Natufia and where does that name come from?
So the name is interesting. The Natufians were the first people to settle back in the Levant 14,000 years ago. So they really invented agriculture as we know it today, right? And but this chapter of history is coming to an end with pollution, sustainability issue as we know. And what we want to open a new chapter and to bring back power to the people to grow the plants that they want directly from home.
So talk about this planter that we're seeing. I don't know if you even call it a planter, but this hydroponic system.
The system is pretty simple. It's based on hydroponic system. We're using little seed pods and the seeds are inside, as you can see here. We're planting them in the system, in the germination chamber. You have some already planted there. And the system runs with a pump. The water tank with the nutrient-rich solution is there, and fill all the cups with the nutrient-rich solution and water, circulate like this, go back to the water tank. So every plant gets the nutrient solution that they need. The system comes with lights, so basically the plant gets the lights and the nutrient that they need to thrive.
And so how many different types of plants do you have available?
Yeah, that's a very good question. So we have leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, kale, but we have as well cilantro, but we have as herbs, thyme, rosemary, and we can offer as well small vegetables, cherry tomatoes, chili peppers. So technically any plants could grow on the Natufia one.
This is just one of the units that you have. You also have one that can be an appliance in a home. Can you talk about this one?
Yes, correct. So this one is how the company Natufia started, with a kitchen appliance, which is 24 inches long, so you can have it fully integrated in your kitchen, right? You can have it behind panels if you wish. And the concept is exactly the same as the previous one, except this one is fully automated. You plumb it like a dishwasher, water main and drainage and power, and then the system will take over control for you. There is a computer, it's a smart appliance with sensors, and it creates the perfect environment for the plant to grow.
So for anyone who wants fresh, home to table, kitchen to table, this is a great system for you. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you, Hélène.